This is an organic waste converter room, located in a basement of a residential complex in Mumbai. There are 2 organic waste converter machines, each having capacity of 1,000 kilograms per day. Beside these OWC machines are the wet garbage collection bins. The cylindrical structure is an Oxidation Contact Chamber OCC. This is the main part of the complete odor control system. This panel-like unit is an ECOBOI Generator. The ECOBOI Generator produces the oxidizer, which is conveyed through the flexible tube to an exhaust duct using Diffusor Fixture.